Hi guys, Nathan Plays MCPE here, and I'm just going to show you how to build a quick, easy chicken cooking farm. So these are the blocks you will need for this moment. So what you gotta do, you gotta go build up 4. So it's a 4x6. So 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 4x6 area going to be using for this anyway. And then once you've done that, you want to put, we'll set 4x7 even, if I should say. So your design should look like this. Then like 1, 2, 3. This is just to where you should keep chickens or something. And guys, be sure to check out my latest video. I've had this channel for like 1 day now. And yeah. So what you want to do, you have to have some chickens. Preferably big ones. Then you will have to do this. Put water there. Definitely have a slab there. Get 1, 2, 3 slabs there. Another crap. Lava here, and another 3 here. Then just do this, and little chickens will come. Oh wait, no, I didn't put the roof on, did I? Make sure you put a roof on, or they will try and be little buggers and try and escape. So yeah, and then you hold this sweet seeds, and then they should slowly come in, little baby ones. And then they stay in that area. When they grow up, they will burn in the lava and give you cooked chicken. Make sure if you make a video on this, give credit to me please. And yeah, hope you enjoyed. Be sure to smash that like button, comment if there's any mistakes, if I was too fast, if I was too slow, if you didn't get any parts. I will be doing automatic farms, let's plays, or I have a let's play in my mind already. I'll be playing with my brother and my 2 sisters. I will do Clash of Clans, Hard Time, Minecraft Pocket Edition, Mini Carnival, and any games you guys really want me to do. So yeah, why'd you get out? Die. Yeah, and then, so yeah, just smash that like button, comment, like, subscribe, add your favourites, and share. I really appreciate it. Peace. Swag.